thing's a massive beast. And check out these guys, the drawers, DeWalt, top of the line. All right, ladder deals, especially the inflator in the winter. Not necessarily higher quality. New Black Friday deals just dropped. Gift Center plus the Pro section. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more glitches. Yes, price glitches. There's sometimes they're price glitches. I do post when they drop. Sometimes they do sell out in minutes, sometimes hours. Just depends on when Home Depot and Lowe's and all those companies are fixing their problems. Yes, very very cheap. All right, so let's go ahead and start here with the pretty much the Craftsman high visibility tools. They got all sorts of tools here, mainly for the DIY. These are not pro level tools, guys. Any links I will leave down in the description section of this video. They are affiliate links and no extra cost to you. I'm gonna check this out. This is a nice tape measure. I keep losing my tape measure. I think I'm gonna pick up something like this because I got like 5 of them and I keep losing them. Because they're black. That's why. Because they're pretty much a dark color and they just get lost everywhere. The plier is $5.98. Very, very inexpensive. They are Craftsman. Just keep in mind these are not top of the line. These are smaller ones. I mean, I actually got the grip on them. They seem to be holding up pretty good. Usually the ones that don't have like a good grip, you squeeze them and you just feel the wobble of it. Squeezing with the pliers. So not necessarily a good quality. But yeah, those are pretty decent. They're not bad. $5.98 for this 6-in-1 screwdriver. This is actually pretty good. Nice rubber grip on there. Just like the Craftsman, basically the red ones, but in green. Got some nice gloves here. These are from the Klein's tools. This is the Klein section. These are large, blackout resistant gloves. $9.98 for limited edition blackouts. And then check out this. This is a really nice tool, electrical tools test kit. This is always nice to have. Everybody should have one of these at the house, just to check something that's not working properly. $29.98 for that. And then crossline laser levels. Go with green, guys. Do not buy the red one. Personally, I like the green. It just helps my eyes see a little bit better. The red one, you might be able to see it more, but it just hurts my eyes. I don't, for some reason. These are battery powered. You can get some rechargeable batteries and just stick them in there, and just hope for the best that they last long. Self-leveling. All right, they got this screwdriver set. This is a really nice screwdriver set. It's all blacked out basically. 5-piece screwdriver set. This is limited edition on all these, by the way. You got a 7-in-1, 6-in-1 metric compact flip socket set. And check out these guys, the drawers. Yes, not the Milwaukee. The Klein drawers are here. Some of them are already sold out here at this store, but you do get the overall picture on this. This thing is a beast. I don't know why Milwaukee and DeWalt didn't think about this a long time ago. I know Klein is coming up with those rolling toolboxes with the big drawer. You got $19.98 for this PVC cutter. It's actually pretty nice. It does have a rubber grip. I like to have rubber grips on every tool that I have. This just feels more comfortable and it's just easier to squeeze. I got $39.98 for this impact rated driving system. Now this one's like a pass through. It's basically like a low profile, you would say. Yeah, mostly like a pass through ratcheting type of wrench here on this one. You got SAE and then you got screwdrivers and Phillips and all that. $24.98 for the tape measure. It's a 2-pack. It's pretty decent, pretty nice. Not necessarily higher quality, but it's labeled on both sides. I really like that. And a 2-pack, basically. Like I always say, right? One for each hand. Same thing with these. You got a flip back utility knife here. Fastback style, basically, if you want to put it that way. The Milwaukee fastback. Pretty inexpensive. You got $19.98 for this precision cutting tool. You got 2 different ones in here. 2-piece precision tool. That's what they call them. All right, so for the Kleins, you got the $249 for the 3-piece. That's a really nice deal right there. Very, very comparable to the pack out. I mean, people that are heavily invested in pack out, they're probably not going to invest in something like this, but a lot of people are making the switch, guys. I've seen it already online. A lot of people are selling their pack out, and let us know in the comment section what do you guys think about this brand. I think this is a great brand. A lot of innovation, lots of new stuff coming up, especially with those drawers on the bottom rolling toolbox. Milwaukee's coming out. It's being a little late to this, actually. You got $49.98 for the 3-in-1 inflator vacuum. Pretty much all in one. It cooks dinner. It cooks everything. It does everything you need, basically. $14.98. You got a nice gloves here. Take care of your knuckles, guys. Wear something like that, when you're gonna be handling with heavy machinery, especially with those saws, big saws, and concrete and all that stuff, construction. These are really nice for the DIY guys. There's an inflator, especially the inflator in the winter. You want to have that because top of your battery. It's very inexpensive battery platform to get into. You got a vacuum there for the van, for the truck, whatever, and then a caulk on there. Wish I had that back in the days when I was doing doors and windows. I was just doing it with the normal caulk. This one, this was the little toolboxes. You got the little tape measures on this. It's pretty decent actually. If you want to think about it, fits in your pocket. So very small. So we got different colors, including pink, blue, black, white, and same thing with these. There's like a multi-tool or multi screwdriver thing, 13-in-1, very small. Something like this I would invest in something a little better. I think that's a little too small for my hands. But then again, everybody, for a kid or a teenager, whatever, is introducing to their first tool. Same thing with those little toolboxes. I'll link it down below in the description section of this video. This is actually pretty nice. I seen it cheaper than that, than the $69.99. Most likely they will get a little bit to like $49.99, I would guess. All right, ladder deals. They got a whole bunch of ladder deals on this one. Check this one out. This one's the cheapest. This was 225-pound capacity. This one's 39 down from 89. It's actually pretty dang good deals on all these. I know Lowe's has been stepping it up on the ladder deals for the Black Friday stuff. So you got a 6-foot, 250-pound capacity aluminum, and they got a fiberglass for $49.98. Yeah, they're pretty much stepping the game up with right there with the Black Friday holiday deals. Competing with that Home Depot, ad. Home Depot has a massive ladder deal selection. So, and yes, I can say Home Depot because Lowe's is not paying me for this, so doesn't matter. All right, so you got the power scrubber. This is a 3-piece, $29.37 for clearance. And then they got the power scrubber itself with the extended wand or whatever. So that one. All right, some more clearance here. Appliances, great for the beer. All right, you got a cabinet for the garage, for the shop. This is $134. It's actually pretty good. Keep in mind, this is light duty use. This is for your smaller cans and smaller stuff. Not heavy parts or anything like that, because it'll break it. All right, so we got the DeWalt top of the line XR combo kits. These do come with a brand new 8-amp-hour battery and charger. You got a reciprocating saw. These are all $279. You guys do see right there, rapid charger. Yes, the yellow top, fast charger, and that famous brand new 8-amp-hour battery. These are all XRs, except for this one. This one's still XR, but does not come with the same kit. And then you got the backpacks. This is a compact or compartment water resistant on all these. You got some totes there at the bottom. Pretty nice bags. And then you got some professional a belt here with a bunch of clips and stuff like that you guys could use for all your tools. I personally do not like a big bulky bag like this, just myself. Yes, new deals just dropped. Yeah, this buy one get one free, guys. Run down and get these. These are really good deals. So this thing is $4.99. This is top of the line DeWalt. You guys know what this is. Industry standard. Pretty much the guy that started everything. That is the DeWalt miter saw. Yes. So the DeWalt miter saw gets a free stand. You will look at it in just a second. It's around the corner. You got $119 for the inflator. Now this one's a high and low, high flow and high pressure inflator there. Battery powered. You got $39.99 for these hoodies. Your choice on these. Personally, I don't like announcing brands. That's just the way I am. I like to keep my own brands to, I can announce my own brand, but I don't like announcing somebody else's brand, if you want to put it that way. You got a DeWalt Tough System case with some drill bits and the rapid load there on the top. Got $15.98, $39.98 for the bigger bits. $59.98 for these, I believe. So, all right. So let's look at the miter saw. This thing's a massive beast, especially with that stand. It looks very, very professional. Yeah. Check out this beast, man. This thing's a really nice saw. I wish I had the room for one of these. I would buy one of these in a heartbeat, especially with that deal. Check this one out, guys. This one's a really, really nice. Like I said, wish I had the room for these. I would have one of each in my garage. So this one's $649 with the rolling stand, top of the line. Both of those are top of the line tools. All right, these are flying off the shelves, guys. These pretty much it is a battery, a tool, and a charger for $99. No brainer. A light, a radio, and a blower. You got the buy one get one free, so you get one of those tools for free. There's a extreme subcompact 12-volt tools. They do perform just like almost like the big boys, the 18 volts. But yeah, these are the kits that you have to buy. $149 each. You get a free tool, including that ratchet, impact wrench, circular saw, light, not light. It's a battery. One-handed reciprocating saw. That is the kit that you have to buy. You got a circular saw there at the bottom. Circular saw, impact wrench, and then that ratchet to the left. And then you got the 3/8 ratchet there. So you got some more ratchets down there. So pretty good deals on those. $99 down from $199. This is subcompact or the compact 24-volt 2-tool combo kit. It's actually there on the back. It's hard to see, but you see the impact driver there on the back. So it is a compact series. You get the select the flex 24-volt 2.5 ampere battery. You get a free starter kit basically. When you buy that's what you're gonna get for free when you buy a tool. So definitely check it out. I'll see if I can post some links to some good deals there. And then now they're sharing with the Metabo, so they cut a little bit of Flex's section here, and now they got the Metabo. So, and yeah, they decreased the Metabo. Only a few 36-volt tools. So I don't know what's up with that. But they're actually advertising this. This is the 18 volts. You buy a 2-pack of 8 ampere batteries, Pro Factor batteries, and get Pro Factor tools. Yes, the circular saw, that beefy hammer drill there. You see it right there? That's a beefy hammer drill. And the rotary hammer, the SDS, all those are Pro Factor tools. And you are getting 2 8 ampere batteries starter kit. That's a killer deal on those. Bosch is a decent brand, or actually a professional level brand. Alright, you got a whole bunch of bits here for $29.98. I mean, tons of bits. 120 piece, big case. Alright, new tools just dropped, or at least to me, because I never seen these before. Compact tower light. 12 volt. These are 12 volt tools. These are for the DIY. Somebody for the house. Mechanical light, $29. Very inexpensive. Inflator tool, only $49.98. Now that's the light right there. It does have a rafter hook. You guys do see right there. It is foldable, so you guys are able to fold it. I don't know if this thing's going to break or not, but it is all plastic, by the way. But it looks pretty, I mean, it feels pretty solid. And then you got the battery. I thought it was a fake battery, but it's actually a real battery there. And then you got the tower light. Or the rocket light, you want to say, if you're a Milwaukee fan. Yeah, don't get mad at me. You got a fan. Yeah, another fan here. $29.98 Bluetooth speaker. Now this seems to be a pretty decent size. Then you got the oscillating tool, toolless blade change, and circular solder. Looks pretty nice. $59.98. These are all compact, smaller tools. Keep that in mind. I know they look bigger on the screen, but they're actually kind of on the smaller side. Nice and compact, lightweight. And you got the ratchet there, pretty nice. with the smaller battery and an adapter. $99. That's 3/8 ratchet. All right, this thing is weird, but it actually seems to be functional. Check this out. This is the brushless flip drill. Yeah, it does flip. So this is a 12-volt kit, $79. It does come with the battery. You guys look at here. You got the screw mode and drilling mode, and then you got the speed selector there. It is brushless, and that part there where I have my hand, the bottom part, it flips. So you are able to have two different bits inside the tool, and just flip it around. All right, these are on clearance. These are the older Skil. These are the full line, the full size. 20 volt, $39.98 on each kit is on clearance. Pretty solid deal. Same thing with this. Pretty solid deal. If you're on the line, pick one of these up, guys. 300 watt. I don't pick it up because I already got too much junk in my house here in my garage. But yeah, otherwise I would pick one up because that's a very, very necessary thing. If you already got the batteries, why not have an inverter? Got the Craftsman, buy one get one free for the Craftsman. There's a whole bunch of tools they were actually working on the Craftsman section, and I didn't go there. But they got this. This is a really nice deal. $149 for the. It looks like a four tool combo kit with the reciprocating saw. They actually have 3 different ones. They got a 4 tool, a 6 tool, and an 8 tool. A no-brainer on the 8 tool, guys. There's a lot of tools there for $249, especially for a DIY. Somebody getting the first house. Yeah, give them the bigger one because that one's is packing a lot of tool in there. All right, so excuse my voice, $9.98 for this thing. This is a bit set here with the screwdriver and a nice universal extension. Some nut drivers, 1-inch bits. You got some really nice knives. You got a utility knife and a speed knife or folding knife, they call it. I really love the matte black on these. These are excellent. I really like them. Same thing with this one. Really like the matte black. Again, they are hard to see. If you're having problems finding them, get the Craftsman. Nobody wants, right? Nobody wants the Craftsmans. All right. You got this is the key set. However, I would definitely get the other one that was already sold or almost sold out. That one's big and bulky, but the other one's nice and compact. You got $29.98 for the 22-piece accessory kit. This is a really, really nice accessory kit if you guys do a lot of mechanic DIY stuff. Guys, that's it for today for the Black Friday deals, at least for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more glitches. Yes, Milwaukee toolboxes for $20, $40. People are getting them. That's just crazy. Let us know in the comment section if you got those deals. Crazy, crazy deals. Anyways, I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. There are affiliate links and on the bottom left-hand corner of this video. Thank you for watching.